Greetings, mobile mushroom. I'm Mabel and Ruthie here, scouting out some areas for Morel season, which is just around the corner. I thought I'd go ahead and give you some tips for what to look for if you're prepping for Morel season. And I also wanted to say that if you're a rock hounder like me or a mushroom forager, a lot of your life is spent looking at the ground, and that can create a lot of tension in the neck and lower back. Identifying trees prior to Morel season is a great way to start stretching your body this way, because you'd be looking up at the buds, at the shape of trees, at the bark, how it changes. So you go from stretching this way to doing this when it's Morel season. So it's a nice balance, you know? So we've come to a mixed woods area with a creek, bit of a floodplain. Most of the trees don't have leaves anymore. These do. These are American beech, so you can still tell the tree American beech by their dead leaves on the limbs here. Here we have a big tulip poplar, and morels do like those around the eastern part of the U.S., like here in North Carolina. These are part of the tulip poplar. I remember because I used to play as a kid, like they're little swords. These babies used to be attached to that little sword. If you look at the leaf litter, you can see there's lots of different types of oak. Here's a tulip poplar. That's an oak leaf. There's different oak leaf. There's more of the beech. Here's one more good one to look for. This is a white ash. When they're young, the bark kind of looks like squares, and then as they age, it becomes these ridges. Well.